Everyone, I'm Kevin and this is my first video regarding Swift, and today we're going to learn about mastering pen gestures. As you can see, there are four views: orange, yellow, sky blue and the purple. This rounded image will resize each and every view using pen gesture, as you can see over here. And sorry for being amateur in English. What I have done over here, I take an image view and given the image and user interactable and clip to bound and point with some constraint horizontally, vertically and a height weight of 100 each. Let's start with some coding, and we don't require this. First we need to create some global variable which we're going to use for the first one. It will be screen size. UI screen dot main dot bound dot size. Okay, then the second one, it should be a width ratio. Why width ratio? I will let you know further down as we go on further. It would be CG float and returning the ratio using the screen size dot width divided by 375. Why 375? Because I'm going to use a storyboard and controller of size with 375 and height. So I created and it will going to return ratio. Okay, let's create some other method. Why this is saying I cannot convert a type? Okay. That the go. First we will prepare UI. This method will going to call from viewDidLoad, and viewDidLoad is an view life cycle. Let's create some outlets. IP outlet. First one. Draggable view. Draggable view will be UI image and first view. It will be UI view. Let's bind this outlet. Draggable view. I also should mention that image should be an user interactable because we require a user interaction to move image while using pen. First we're going to create a simple pen gesture for draggable view. Let's create some extension mark gestures extension view controller. First add pen gesture to view. It will be UI view. pan gesture equal to UI pan gesture, and the target would be self, and selector to view add gesture pan gesture. We need to create a select function for handling pan gesture. So we're going to create function for handling, and selector function always a objective C function type handle pan gesture. UI pan gesture. Because we are using shift 4, the selector function always should be an objective C type function. Selector self handle pan gesture, and this method will going to call from prepare UI add pan gesture to self dot trackable view. Let's create that to view equal to sender view, and it's uncompulsory because we know that sender view will going to be a user draggable view. Translation equal to sender dot translate to view. It will be a self main view, because this translation will return a CG point of our application main view. Switch case sender dot state, and state would be begin and dot change to view dot center equal to CG point. CG point will be to view dot center dot x plus translation dot x, and to dot center dot y plus translation dot y, and sender need a set translation would be a CG point dot 0 on dot self view. Fault will be break. Let's give it a try. As you can see, the normal pen gesture on draggable view, it's moving perfectly fine and working fine. We need to create a view. It will be a UI view, and UI view will be the height and width of 187.5 and 33.5. And need to give a color would be a matte finished orange color, and this view will going to be because it won't interact. And this draggable view should be an image and user interaction enable. And we require some set of calculation. Why should I take 187.533 dot height width? Because the size of 8 iPhone 8 is 375 width and 667 we going, and width will be divided by, because we need this view should be a half width and half height, so we divided by 2. 37 divided by 2 would be an 87.5, and 667 divided by 2 will be 33.5. And because we are using pen gesture, it will be change runtime accordingly. Let's prepare frame for view. First we will going to connect this outlet to first view and cell first view dot frame. It will be cg rect 00 screen size dot width divided by 2 and screen size dot height divided by 2. Let's create some variable declaration. Flat x, it will be a cg float 187.5 into width ratio, and y cg float 33.5 into width ratio, x going to will return width of screen, then x will going to return height of screen. Width ratio will going to help for each screen. For smaller, bigger OnePlus model, SE models, like we need to do some calculation. Let's create some move view according to pen gesture. Extension would be a function move view to points. It would be a CG point of our application's screen size. Let's create constant with height variable which will going to move on and decrease according CG point from to view. Let with constant will be x, which we declare up, will go into minus 2 point dot minus x, and the height constant will be y minus as we going to move this trackable view, we need to resize all these view according to it. For first view, we need to self dot first, we need to change the frame according to it. One would be, we don't need to move x and y from this. X would be a 0 and y would be 0, but we need to change width and height of this view. So x would be 0, y would be 0, and this will going to change according to x minus width constant, y minus height constant, and this method will going to call from here self move to view dot center. Let's give it a try. Yes, this works perfectly fine. X and y 0 0 will stick that frame from this corner, so it will increase and decrease the size only of width and height. Let's do it for the second view. Second view would be the same. Copy paste this is going to be gone up. We're going to change a color yellow, create some variable, second, third, fourth view, and we going to find this second view, and we forget to call this function from prepare UI. It will going to help us set a frame of view according to the screen size. And for the second view dot frame, CG is rect and x will be x and y will be 0, and the screen size divided by 2 and screen size divided by height by 2. Screen size dot width y x is 87.5 because this view x start from 87. Let's change second view self dot second dot frame dot redirect x will be 2 point dot x and y going to be a 0 because we need to be stick with 0, and x minus with constant and height will going to increase. Now x will going to increase in second view as per our logic, and y will going to decrease with height constant. Let me check. Yeah, this worked perfectly fine. Let's do it for the third view. It's pretty simple, as you can see. Now we're just going to copy paste this. Copy paste. Going to change color will be green. This will going to go for bar. Set and connect the outlet. It's a third view. Same self dot third view dot frame x will be going to 0 and going to be y self screen dot with minus divided by 2 screen dot. X will going to only while will going to move with x minus width and height will going to increase over here. It should be fine. It's moving but overlapping with draggable view. Why it's overlapping? As you can see, this third view has gone in center, but it does not overlap because we write runtime given the frame x is 0, y would be and 3.5, and width will be divided by screen size width, and the height also divided by screen size height. And for fourth view, going to change a color, a sky blue. We need to move like this, and the fourth x, y, z, and this fourth of the fourth view require both with direct 2 point x 2 point y, and this both will going to increase x plus with constant and y plus height constant. Yes, this is perfect. For the next video, if you like this cool UI transition effects, let me know by like and comment. This hero framework is a very cool framework and easy to use for the most of applications, and it have cool transition effects as you can see over here. For the next video, if you like to see hero framework, let me know in comments. Thank you guys, and sorry for being an amateur. Peace out. Let's create a new project. Single way application. So we don't require this one. Not plan R&D. Okay, let's start.